Hey guys, wanted to give you a blueberry video update. Here they are. Still alive. Keeping them in a greenhouse now. Hey, that's something else. Keeping them in a greenhouse because it's more humid. Here they are. Look at this one. This one's my favorite. In the next couple months they'll be leafing out and growing up. And here's some more that I've done recently. Here's one. They look pretty healthy. One key is to keep them where it's humid and out of the sun. Look at this one. I didn't think this one was going to live. Such a big stick. So cute. And as you can see behind me, maybe you can't see behind me, but I've got a lot of totes full of them. Someday